सुपर टीन्स चैनल में आपका स्वागत है और यहाँ पे आप सीखेंगे फाइनेंस, कम्युनिकेशन, बिजनेस और एआई एंड लॉट्स ऑफ माइंडसेट आल्सो। इस समर ब्रेक में आप सीखोगे कि टीन्स कैसे अपने लाइफ को कंट्रोल में लेके आ सकते हैं एंड अवे फ्रॉम डूम स्क्रोलिंग, अवे फ्रॉम गेम्स एंड गॉसिप एंड ऑल दैट एंड फोकस ऑन ग्रोइंग एंड लर्निंग एंड डेवलपिंग हाई इनकम skills for their future. So make sure you watch this video and enjoy, and also make sure you join the next free workshop which we are doing for AI for super teens. Link will be there in the description and I'll see you there. So let's enjoy this video. So AI for projects हमने देखा. Let's do this on your screen. The project flow, 4 steps. आप क्या करोगे? पहले एक टॉपिक पिक करोगे. Pick a topic you actually care about. Then ask AI to 3 slide outline and key points. Then Canva AI paste outline, let Canva AI design the slides for you. And then edit titles, add 1 image, done. This is the workflow for Canva. Are we going to, do you want to see a demo? Say yes in the chat box, everyone. Demo. Say demo in the chat box. Demo, demo, demo. Everyone, demo. Okay. Now, many of you know Canva, but we'll use the Canva AI. Right? So are you guys ready? Let's go to the demo on this thing. So you go on the Canva site. Let's put it on screen. You say Canva. सबको पता है Canva क्या है? Let's make it full screen. और मैंने Canva click किया. You can even log in if you have an account. Otherwise you cannot. अब यहाँ पे आप Canva देखोगे ना तो बहुत कुछ करता है Canva. मैजिक लेयर्स, प्रेजेंटेशन, सोशल मीडिया, वीडियो, प्रिंट शॉप, डॉक्यूमेंट, व्हाइट बोर्ड, शीट, ये सब कुछ बहुत करता है. यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं करना है. यहाँ पे जहां पे आपका दिख रहा है मोर, वहां पे जाके जाओगे तो वहां पे कैनवा एआई करके फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है. तो मैं कैनवा एआई पे क्लिक करूंगा. नाउ दिस इज कैनवा एआई. अब मैं अपना प्रॉम्प्ट डालूंगा, इज दैट क्रिएट अ स्लाइड पीपीटी for my history project on the topic details of India's top 5 freedom fighters with their contribution and which state they belong to. ये मेरा prompt है, ये PPT बना के मेरे को देगा. Let's click on the button and it says go. Now it's thinking this is Canva AI. I will create a presentation. All this is going on. Let me start by researching to gather accurate information about these freedom fighters. So it is searching about, look at searching, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, searching the web, and then it spoke about Vaman Balkrishna Sardesai from Goa, and then you show more Mahatma Gandhi, and then we have all other people who are created. Now I'll create a presentation with detailed information about India's top 5 freedom fighters. And it's processing, it's searching. This is Canva. And you can see that India's top freedom fighters, ये हो गया आपका. कौन कौन है? महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, भगत सिंह, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, and Vallabh Sallabh Patel. Right? So this is the 5 slide. Now generate design. If you click on that, ये आपको अगर समझ में आ गया कि ये बराबर है तो उसको generate design, create a presentation पे click किया मैंने, तो it will create a presentation. Top 5 freedom fighters, mapping out design elements, polishing design details, and ये तो 5 स्लाइड का है इसलिए it will take some time, but if you do maybe more, but ठीक है. अगर मैंने ये पूरा prompt डाल दिया, मैंने इसको बनाने को सब कुछ बता दिया कि ये कर, ये कर, ये कर. अब समझो मैंने उसको 200 स्लाइड प्रेजेंटेशन बनाने दिया तो शायद 1-2 घंटा भी लग जाए. तो मैं क्या करूंगा तब तक? मैं उसको प्रॉम्प्ट दे दिया, वो बनाएगा, वो कर रहा है काम, मैं अपना काम करता हूं. I'll go to the gym, I'll do workout, I'll go and meet my friends, I'll do some study, I can do some reading, right? By the time AI is working for you, right? Look at this. Now it's already created. 1 slide, slide number India's top. Now you can play this slide number 2, slide number 3, slide number 4, slide number 5, 6, and it's all done. Can you see that? Now somewhere it might do an error also, some mistake also, or something. You can check that as I mentioned, and then you can change again and say a different prompt that okay, this picture does not resemble to Jawaharlal Nehru. It may be a different picture. Maybe you can change the picture, find it from the search and all that. But this is just an example. This is just an example. Can you see that? Is that good? So you can create project like I want to do a project on football. and I want to research on the last 5 World Cups. Who are the winners and who are the top players and who made the most goals? And it will give you that presentation for your school or for your any other activity which you are doing. So this was Project Flow, how immediately you can make your project simple and you can present it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned a lot from this video. Now, let's make sure that you register for the free workshop which is happening for teens, and also join our Super Teens WhatsApp community, where we are going to give you continuous updates on how you can keep up with the ever-changing world, especially in the world of AI, and your teenager will remain ahead in that. So click on the link and join the WhatsApp community and join the free workshop.